Matthew Jeske here. I'm a real estate agent in sunny Sahuarita, Arizona, and today we're here in Madera Highlands. We're at my client's house. This is 2,338 square feet, 4-bed, 2-bath, 3-car garage. Let's go on in and take a look. Head right into the great room, bypass the bedroom space here. It's an Everest Floor-plan by Lennar Homes, and my client has customized it. They removed a wall between the dining area here and the kitchen, and it looks fantastic. They also extended the kitchen underneath that picture window we have to the left. Towards the end, we have a den here. They've configured it as a play area. It's our living space. Beautiful backyard on this property. We'll take a look at that after we're done here in the master suite. Door leads out to the covered patio. We have a large soaking tub, walk-in shower. To the left is a coat closet, and we're going to check out those bedroom spaces right now. These pocket windows look into the front entry off the hallway. This is our front bedroom, beautifully appointed. All these bedrooms have the bypass door closets. This is our hall bath up here. Next bedroom. Linen closet here. And a boy's bedroom. Again, beautifully appointed. Let's quick check out a couple places we glossed over. This door in front of me leads out to the garage space. A light we need to turn on here. This is our laundry room just off the door joining the garage to the great room. Take a look outside here real quick. It's one of the most amazing features of this property here is the yard. It's fully landscaped. We have artificial turf. Raised garden beds, but the most beautiful feature here we'll take a look at is this is adjacent to common area. We're looking out towards the park for the community. Here's more of that beautifully landscaped backyard and the covered patio. I want to thank you for touring with me. If you'd like to check out this home or others like it, give me a call. My name is Matthew Jeske, 520-344-3481.